This is all the stuff I ended up getting rid of from the Armoire, and Boba kind of tore through it, so it's a really big mess right now. But this is everything I'm not keeping, and I need to kind of sort it between donation, recycling, and just like trash. And then this is how the Armoire ended up. So it's obviously a mess still, but it's really because I sorted it. These are like all my decoration pieces now for pretty much the whole apartment. And then I have all my books up here and a couple big decoration pieces. So the stuff on the keyboard I need to kind of go through still and bring with me to certain places, so that's why it's there. Boba, Boba, don't do that. Come here. Anyways, that's pretty much it. There's a few things up here that go in different spots, so I need to put those where they go, but long story short, this is done, and everything in there can be packed up into boxes when I start packing, so that's pretty good. I just finished working for the day, and I figured I might as well do a couple of decluttering activities. I have like huge dark circles under my eyes. I figured I would get a couple of other things done to prepare for moving, so I've just been thinking a lot of things today, and I wanted to get them down into my Notion to-do list and pick up some of the trash that's in my room. Also, I'm going home this weekend, and there's some stuff that I'm bringing to some different members of my family. So like my mom is taking a couple of my things, and my sister's taking a couple of my things. And Sabrina's actually going to drive up to my mom's house to pick up a few more things that she couldn't fit in her car. So because of that, I wanted to make sure that I've gone through the main things in my bathroom that I don't want, because there's a couple big decor pieces in there that I think I'm gonna be getting rid of. So I figured I might as well do that before I leave so that I can give it to someone who might want it, like Sabrina. So I'm going to pick up the trash that I accumulated from going through my armoire yesterday and vacuum my room and go through my bathroom to just get those big pieces out and send Sabrina some photos. So sweaty feeling. While I was working, I kept just thinking of things, so I was like making a list of things I need to do. I need to go back through my Notion. I never marked anything off from the other day, so let's go to moving. So I went through the armoire, so I finished that. Wow, that's literally all I did. Okay, let's go to the to-do list. So go to CVS, make a list of things to bring home, order my plane ticket, schedule my U-Haul rental, hire the movers. Oh, I need to apply for credit card. Do I need a rental car from DC to Florida, or to DC from Florida, and make my video posting schedule. Tonight, I wanted to clear out that trash, which I did, and vacuum my room, which I did, so I'm happy about that. I really like to get my room completely taken care of before I go home or go on any trip. There's a gnat in here and it's driving me crazy. Okay, so tonight, what else do I need to do? I want to look around for any other decorations that I don't want, that I just know I don't want, because if I have any of that stuff, I just want to get it out now so I can ask Sabrina if she wants it. Text Summer for referral link. My sister has a Chase credit card. I'm pretty sure she is the one I want. So So I really want to ask, I already asked her for her referral link, but I need to ask her again. So let me ask her. So for anyone who's wondering, what I'm talking about is I want to apply for another credit card. And there's this Chase credit card that has 0% interest for the first, I think it's 18 months. I don't remember, but it's over a year. And to me, that's the most important part. And then you also get like a $200 or $250 bonus if you spend $2,000 within the first 30 days or something to that effect. Point being, my plan is if I can apply for and get that credit card, which I've been really trying to focus on keeping my credit score high the past couple of months so that I have a good chance of getting accepted for it, then I can use that credit card to pay for a lot of my moving expenses up front. So like the movers, the U-Haul rental, any flights to and from, I really want to be able to put those on the credit card that has 0% interest so that once I get my relocation stipend for my job, I can just immediately pay off the credit card. But I probably won't get that stipend until mid to late July, and I'm moving in early June. So because of that, and I don't have a lot of upfront cash right now, I want to apply for the credit card. That's kind of the whole point. But also on top of that, just the fact that I'm going to be getting this $250 reward makes it worth it, because when you move, I mean, it's inevitable that you have a decent amount of expenses and they're going to all happen at the same time. So what better way to get a reward bonus for spending money than doing it when you move and you have to spend the money? So I think it's a really good time to do that, and that's kind of why I'm planning to go that route. Anyways, long story short, I really need to apply for that credit card, so that's why I'm trying to get the referral link for my sister, because that will give her a bonus if I sign up through her link, and I think it might also give me an extra bonus, but I'm not 100% sure. But either way, I mean, I knew she had the credit card, so I figured why not help her out by giving her that extra bonus. Now that I vacuumed my room and I kind of made a little list of what I know I need to do, I think I'm gonna go tackle the bathroom so I can send Sabrina pictures of the stuff that I don't want and then move on from there. My bathroom is such an awful mess, but the gist of it is I need to figure out if I think I'm gonna keep this container for my brushes because I really like it. Definitely keeping this makeup container. I'm gonna get rid of this coral looking necklace holder because it just looks kind of like nautical and it really doesn't go like with the rest of the vibe of my bathroom. So like the little floral stuff, I'm so sorry, it's so nasty and gross, but everything else is more like ornate. And then I have these random like nautical pieces, so those two things I'm definitely going to get rid of. So I need to get those out and then get the items that are inside of them onto something else. So that's my plan now. This is my baby necklace. It was like a little pearl necklace and it fit me as a choker, so I'd been wearing it as just like a necklace now, but it broke one day, so I have all these pieces and I'm not sure what to do with it. I think I'm gonna use this as my new little container to hold all the stuff that's in here. Once I move in, I think I'm gonna like go back through this stuff, but I know I want to keep all of these. I went through them pretty recently, but I just don't know how I want to organize them all. So for now, I'm just gonna keep them in these little containers, but I'm going to leave this one here for now and swap this out to give away. This space in my new apartment that has like a little place that I'm planning on putting all of my jewelry, so I don't know, I need to find stuff that's gonna look good together because I just don't really love all of this together. Now we're gonna grab these two. Okay, so I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I might not want to keep. I'm really just not sure about the other little items in here, like the soap dispenser and like the toothbrush holder. I have another toothbrush holder that I might use instead, and I think Cindy's going to be giving me her bathroom little decor pieces that look kind of similar. So I think I just need to wait till I move into my new place and I can like see my bathroom, see what looks good, because the other thing is my new bathroom does not have like a shower curtain. It's just a glass door. I don't really know exactly how everything's gonna look in there, and I'm getting new towels when I move as well, so I think I'm just gonna wait for now with the other little pieces because I like all of them and I think they all work with my style of decor. I just don't know which ones I'm going to use and which ones I'm not. The other places in the apartment that have decor that I haven't gone through fully is like my end table, but I know I'm keeping everything on there. And let's see, I think that's literally everything. The kitchen I know has like a few pieces of things that I'm not going to keep, but I think primarily I'm keeping all of the stuff that's out here in the kitchen as well. The only thing I'm debating, and I'm like really debating, is this lamp. I just can't decide if I want it or not. I really like it and I thrifted it for like $8, and then I spent literally so many trips to Target trying to find a lampshade that matched it and worked with the size. And it like matches my couch, which is super torn up, but I don't know. I just don't like the dark in it, and I feel like if I got rid of the lamp, then I also would need to get rid of that because that's also like dark. I think I have to like get Cindy's opinion on what she thinks. I don't know. I mean, the vase on the table does have some like dark-ish colors. This vase, which is so hard to pick up with one hand, has like dark gray in it too, so maybe I should just keep it. I don't know, I think this matches the lamp because it has like the gray at the top. This is so hard. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it because, yeah, I just don't know. I like it. That's why I'm gonna keep it, because I like it. I need to stop being so anal about everything coordinating perfectly because that's just not possible. Let's go take a picture of the little items that I want to see if Sabrina or her sister wants. Okay, it is sent. So it's you earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500. Really? Is that right? And it's 0% interest for 15 months. Okay, so Francina and Sabrina just answered me, and basically they want everything I sent them a picture of except one thing, so I'm glad I checked beforehand. I need to add that to the list of stuff to bring home with me. So I decided I'm gonna apply for the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. So it's unlimited 1.5% cash back, low intro APR, so it's 0% interest for the first 15 months, and there's no annual fee, and you get a bonus offer of $200 cash back once you spend $500 on purchases, which is very low, honestly. So the only thing I'm worried about with that is that I've applied for one other credit card that had such a low like spending threshold to get the bonus, and they granted me a super low credit limit, and I need so I calculated all my moving expenses are going to be about $1,200, so really I just need the limit to be at least $1,200, otherwise this ends up being pretty pointless. So yeah, not pointless, but you know, not as helpful. But it'll be fine if not. So, but I still think that this is the best option, so I'm gonna apply for this one. But I just found the place for Summer to refer me if this is the credit card she has. So, okay, Boba, jeez. So I just texted her to be sure and see if this is the credit card she has. I might call her because she's not answering me, and I really just want to apply now. So.
Hey, sorry,
hey.
Mr. Call, what's up?
No, you're fine. I just want to double check because. So do you have the Chase Freedom Unlimited? Is that the card you have or no? Sounds good.
Love you.
I love you. Thanks for. Oh yeah, you're welcome. Okay, I just got off the phone with Summer, and thankfully she did, or her husband actually had the credit card that I'm applying for, so they were able to get the $100 reward for like referring someone. But yeah, I'm so happy because I got instant approved, which has never happened to me before. So I'm very happy because that means my credit score is like doing good. other stuff. See, I wish I already wrote some of the stuff down because now I can't remember. I think that's good for tonight. So I think I'm just gonna work on the premarital counseling book and just do that for the rest of the night. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna get ready for bed because why not? I might as well put on my PJs and stuff. And then I think I'll make some hot tea. And did I eat dinner? Let's put away the laundry and then decide if we want to eat something. I think I am hungry. I really wasn't, but the more I think about it, the more I want something. Like right now, all I can think about is eating a s'more, but I think I should eat something first and then eat a s'more. So I'm trying to figure out what to eat, and honestly all I have in my fridge is oranges, cheese, I guess that lettuce technically isn't bad, couscous, a bunch of stale bread, yogurt, and leftover chicken wings. I just watched your video.
You watched it?
I did. It made me really happy.